Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix RTX grayed out in Minecraft Bedrock. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So you might notice that the option for the RTX setting is grayed out in your settings for the video in Minecraft. And that's because there are no two new changes. So first of all, you need to make sure that you're always updated to the latest version, and also any old versions of RTX that you may have had for 2 years or before, then they are outdated because Minecraft and Java has created a brand new update on the Bedrock edition. And so from here, once you click on settings and you go to down for the video part, and then from here going to scroll all the way down until you see the mod. And as you can see, ray trace is now bugged. So first of all, you need to make sure that in-game graphics mode switching is turned on. You can only turn this on during a game. And so from here, going to go and then go to make sure that in the global resources, you're going to check. And then from here, my packs and then the active. And once you have enabled those settings and you download a newer version, then you can just join the game, and then in the game itself you can just load it right here. And then finally from here in the settings, you can then just go to the video section that is going to be right here, and then you can turn on if you have downloaded a new ray tracing. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.